Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share the powerful and inspiring life story of Nelson Mandela, a man who fought for freedom, justice, and equality. His journey is full of courage, sacrifice, and hope, and it teaches us to never give up on what we believe in. This story is perfect for English learners. Nelson Mandela's life is one of the most powerful and inspiring stories in modern history. It's not only a story of courage, justice, and forgiveness. It's also a story that can help people learn and improve their English in a deep, natural, and meaningful way. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, reading about Mandela's journey can help you grow your vocabulary, understand grammar better, and improve your speaking and writing skills through real-life examples. Why Mandela's story helps you learn English. The story of Mandela's life is told like a true life story. It starts with his childhood, moves through his education and career, continues with his struggles, and ends with his victory as a leader and his peaceful legacy. This helps learners understand how to organize events in time. You learn how to use time expressions like when he was a child, after that, many years later, and finally. These phrases are very helpful when you tell your own story or someone else's. Mandela's story is full of past tense verbs, which are very important in English. For example, he was born in 1918. He spent 27 years in prison. He became the first black president of South Africa. By reading these kinds of sentences, you see how the past tense is used in real situations. This helps you learn irregular verbs like was, went, had, and became. The more you read, the more naturally these forms will appear in your own speaking and writing. Mandela's story teaches you powerful and useful words related to freedom, human rights, leadership, racism, forgiveness, and hope. These are not just textbook words. They are real words used to describe real events and emotions. For example, you'll learn words like prison, equality, protest, president, speech, vote, justice, and peace. Because you see these words in action, you understand them better and remember them longer. Some are short and simple. Mandela was a lawyer. Others are longer and more advanced. Even though he had suffered for many years, he chose to forgive rather than take revenge. This teaches you how to connect ideas using words like although, because even though and however, these words help you speak and write more fluently and naturally. Critical thinking and real conversations. Mandela's life also encourages critical thinking and helps you express your own opinions in English. His life brings up big ideas like justice, leadership, freedom, and peace, great topics for speaking practice. You'll learn how to express your opinion. I believe, in my opinion, I agree. You'll also learn how to politely disagree, share feelings, and ask for others' opinions, just like in real English conversations. Mandela's quotes, simple yet powerful. Mandela's speeches and quotes are also great tools for learning. Point one of his most famous quotes is, "It always seems impossible until it is done." This short quote teaches a life lesson, but also shows strong and clear English. You can also use Mandela's story to practice writing. Try writing a short biography of Mandela in your own words, writing about how his life made you feel comparing his life to another leader from your country. These activities help you use new vocabulary and grammar in a personal, creative way that in a classroom or during self-study. You can learn with emotion, not just rules. What makes Mandela's story special is that it connects language learning with real meaning and emotion. You don't just learn grammar rules. You learn about courage, respect, and never giving up. You feel the words, not just understand them. Learning English through Nelson Mandela's story is not just about language. It's about becoming a better thinker, communicator, and human being. Nelson Mandela's life is a gift to the world, and it can be a gift to every English learner. By reading about him, writing about him, and speaking about what he stood for, you become stronger in English and wiser in life. This story is perfect for English learners because it's told in simple language and carries a deep, motivational message. I hope this story helps you improve your English and inspires you to stay strong in difficult times. Let's begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for more videos like this.